SOI siyabonga baba. What up Suzy? JB MC Ndabezi
Yabonga bitch.
Yabona lena boy makasi ke le ithole njalo nami ngimemezisa inja zami leko NV Tiqwala danke ngayi danke lo Covenant Squad bongo ku SOI uHerod ngensimbi danke boy eyizwa lento azathi shayele mazweni ntona kanti na wash yeah
You wanna know my hood anyway? It's really tough each and every day. Siapanda got no time to play, and while after you get played, all over they get paid. Matuga makansela they want change. Konke nonga tenganga they want change. Indoda yiwilana come and stay. Fridays ngamakanda we get late. I'm picking the skill boss. Ukuba neskill okungenza boss. Akusekho nomlilo boss. Kodwa ngeke ngakushisi Mike Joss. Mphume kasi lama boss. No recross unamange mini boss. Because lama bana choice. If they wanna shoot you abayidingi ni boss. Khona abantwana aba right aba fit man. Khona nalaba aba nice but ba sick man. Khona nalaba bahle take it easy man. They can leave you shaking ngathi bangama pretty man. Impilo yasekasi rough and you move quick. Man usheshe understand it njenga side chick. Lana sikisika sodlala you should move quick. Dliwa umuntu dliwa imali like a wise bitch.
Mafuna ukubona ikasta ya always on a side and Batman. Mafuna ukubona ishutdown. Men them full of Gideon. Them chicks with a bomb, short, kill with a gun. Shots them a fuck a Batman. Snip with a bomb, smoke. Them chicks with a bomb, lots of sour Batman.
Mafuna ukubona ikasta we madoda yebantwane engukusashaya nesashaya ingoma wazozibona
Funa ubone kaslam wena ubani angitshela uzongenzani nangulahle frustan awuqali bona mina ngizokwenzani la wethu izinto zami bone kwabami yababona basakhanye abaqwali enzamatha abasasazi abasazi ekabona abalekwali uphume katsel vuthu umlilo ntwana uphume inhlansi sidonsa amashizilo makinguzi ubona indoda phansi wena sabe kasilami ngoba ziyaphenduka mekulunge bangalazi sengiyahlanya kasilami kwamshaza ngasephethe izinto zami ababasted yakutshela ngeke u-understand ngeke kusimele ngoba imali sifuna ngebhakede bathi azishethuthi ubhema izolo noma ubhema umdludi yana ngenza ingozi ungaziphungula ngomadla ingozi
Ekaslam ngeke ungathuki boss, ungakhombi manager ungathuki boss. Ukade ungayisuthi boss, 678 to size booty boss. Guguthi boss, iruti boss, iluzi boss, yakhe inkunzi boss. Hileze ququti qox iluzi boss, this section akusinhlanga iluzi boss. Yeah, ngabe ni luzi boss, tryna compete with the best hood, excuse me boss. I represent my hood and move it boss with the music boss, impunza ngiluzi boss. My hood be amusing boss. Them chicks with big hips and them booties boss. Them chill with big clicks and foolish boss. And some fuck man you boss, I'm foolish Ross. Mafuna ukubona ikaslam ya always on a side and Batman. Mafuna ukubona ishutdown. Men them full of Gideon. Them chicks with a bomb, shots, kill with a gun. Shots them a fuck a Batman. Snip with a bomb, smoke. Them chicks with a bomb, lots of sour Batman.
Mafuna ukubona ikaslam we madoda yebantwane engukusashaya nesashaya ingoma wazozibona
This section, Suzy,
suka phansi fryhead why vele